In this brief tutorial, we're going to review how to log into your server and grab the CrashPlan logs to send to support. First, open a remote desktop session to your server using VNC. Once you're logged into the server, launch the CrashPlan desktop app. Double-click the CrashPlan Pro icon in the upper right corner. The command line that appears, type in dump all and hit enter. This step is optional, but it gathers additional information that may or may not be useful for troubleshooting. You can now close out the application. The next step is to actually gather up those log files and create an archive. Let's open up a terminal, and let's move to the CrashPlan directory, which is under User Local CrashPlan. This directory contains a number of files, but we're interested in the ones that are underneath the log directory. We need to package all these up into a format that's ready to be sent via email or uploaded to a website. So let's go ahead and use the tar utility to do this. Commands tar, space, and then letters C for compress, or create, Z for compression, or zipping, V for verbose, and F for destination file name. Now let's tell it where to put the file. Let's go to our home directory /root, and then our desktop folder. And let's call this file CrashPlan logs, and let's append a date for uniqueness. We're going to give it a file name .tar.gz for the extension, and then space. Now we're going to tell tar which files need to be packaged. So let's start in the current directory, which is signified by /, and we want everything under the log subdirectory, so log here. And now hit enter. And what that's going to do is zip up everything to one single package underneath the log subdirectory, and you can see it appeared right there on the desktop. So now we're ready to go. Now from this point, you can close the terminal. You have two options. One, you can open a web browser straight from the server, go to the CrashPlan support site, and upload that file or attach it to your existing case. That's option number one. Option number two, if you need to email it to someone else or email it to support, you can do that as well through FTP. So let's close VNC here. Open up an FTP client like FileZilla. Just put in the connection information for your server, username, password, and right now we can see we're in /root, so we're going to go to desktop, and we can see our tar.gz file that we created, right? Let's just drag that to, say, the desktop. And there you go. Now you've got a file on your local computer, on your desktop, that you can send to CrashPlan support.